Hey there, welcome back. I am so excited for this part because we are about to meet the tools that we will make content creation way easier and way more fun. We are talking about ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok's Imagine, all free and all awesome. Think of them like new friends who are amazing at brainstorming, designing, or just helping you get unstuck. First up, ChatGPT. You can find it at chat.openai.com. Picture this. You're staring at a blank screen, trying to write a caption or even a full blog post. That's where ChatGPT jumps in. It's like a super smart buddy who can give you ideas, write drafts, or even generate images if you want something visual. Getting started is easy. Just head to the site, create an account, and you're ready. Quick pass. Can you imagine typing a messy idea and getting 3 polished options instantly? That's the magic here. Next up, Gemini at gemini.google.com. This one's a powerhouse for images, but it does more than just visuals. It's also a smart assistant for writing and creating projects. We will be using Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, popularly called as Nano Banana model, for image generation. Here's what makes it special. It can create images from scratch. It can even edit and transform the images. And it can even keep things consistent. All you need is a Google account to get started, and you will be creating visuals and writings in no time. Quick pass. Think about one image you would love to make right now. What it would be. Finally, there is Grok Imagine, available through the Grok app. This one's special because it can create up to 10 images or 3 videos every 2 hours. And yes, the videos come with sound. It's basically a mini studio in your pocket. If you already have the app, you are ready to start experimenting. Imagine creating a short visual or video for your social media while waiting for your coffee. How cool is that? Okay, let's see these tools in action. Open up ChatGPT and type this. Suggest 3 post ideas for a yoga coach. You will see ChatGPT spit out ideas faster than you can say double espresso. That's the magic of AI. Why this is so cool? Because these tools are free, simple, and give you results right away. Whether you are stuck on ideas or need a quick visual, they have got your back. You don't need to be a tech wizard, just type what you want and they will do the heavy lifting. Alright, that's your intro to these amazing AI friends. Next, we will dive into how to use them to write posts that sound like you. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's keep going.